Okay, so question is how to end the year aligned without doing anything drastic. Well, let me start this video with something most people don't expect to hear. You don't need to make big Feng Shui changes before year ends. You don't need to renovate. You don't need to activate aggressively. You don't need to force momentum. All you need is right now discernment. And period 9 respects discernment far more than desperation. Yes. Okay, so let me ask you something. What if alignment doesn't require you to change anything yet? Sounds good? And what if the most powerful move before year end is simply becoming aware of what's no longer aligned? That idea alone makes some people uncomfortable because in their mind they have to do something about it. Because there's not urgent matter anymore. Instead, it replaces this thing called responsibility. Sounds counterintuitive? Well, let's continue. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because year end creates pressure typically as people feel that they must fix something, activate something, or close something. But me, it's a traditional mindset. And they fear that by not doing all this, they're wasting the year. Well, let me share with you this new idea. There are seasons for action. There are seasons for calibration. Year end in period 9 is not automatically a demolition fix. It could just be a fine-tuning fix. Okay? So let me invite you to watch this video to the end by giving you 3 reasons why you should do it. Reason number 1, period 9 favors precision, not disruption. Again, fire energy is sharp. It doesn't respond well to chaos, but it responds to accuracy. So big dramatic changes made without clarity creates instability in the fire era. Small, precise adjustments compound quietly. Sounds good? Okay, reason number 2. Overcorrecting creates new problems. Especially this happens in leadership. Overcorrecting is a sign of insecurity, not mastery. So the same thoughts applies to Feng Shui. If you change too much, too fast, you don't know what actually worked. And that creates confusion moving into the new year. And reason number 3 is a short one. Alignment is cumulative. Alignment is not a single action, it's a state. So when you end the year calm, clear, and grounded, you enter the next cycle with authority. And period 9 rewards continuity of clarity. Okay, so I hope you are convinced to watch this video till the end. But before you continue, the lessons that I'm offering in this video, if you haven't done it, click subscribe to my channel and make sure you press the bell button so that you are notified of any upcoming videos I put up on this channel. And help me share this message with your friends so that they will get the same lessons like what you're getting right now. So on that note, thank you very much, and let's get into the lessons. So there are 3 lessons I'm going to offer in this video. Lessons number 1, year end is for calibration, not reinvention. Well, let's redefine what end the year work actually means. Okay, so it doesn't mean doing more, counterintuitive. It means checking alignment. So what is calibration before activation? So what you do is to review the following: what supported you, what drained you, what felt forced, and what felt natural. And this is Feng Shui at its most mature level. So you may ask that why does calibration matter in period 9? Well, good question. Fire magnifies whatever foundation you step on. So if you step into the new year with unresolved friction, fire turns it into pressure. And if you step in with clarity, fire turns it into momentum. Again, same energy, different results. So a subtle trap that people fall into is this. They think stillness equals stagnation. You see, in reality, stillness could mean stability. And stability is the launch pad for clean action. Okay, sounds good? Hope you enjoyed my lesson number 1. Moving on to lesson number 2, your space reflects your leadership. And this message could be powerful. Leadership is not about control. It's about inner authority. And your environment either reinforces that authority or quietly undermines it. So how this could show up practically. So you see, if your space feels cluttered, reactive, overstimulating, your leadership energy leaks, and you therefore become less decisive, more reactive, and less grounded. That's not because you lack confidence, my friends. It's because your space doesn't support it. So you see, good Feng Shui aligns the human with the environment. So when that alignment exists, don't need to push. Decisions feel obvious. Okay? You like the lesson? Let's move on to the final lesson in this video. Lesson number 3, enter the new year energetically clean. And let me clarify this. I'm not talking about physical cleaning. I'm talking about energetic cleanliness, not unresolved tension, not constant irritation, and no low-grade anxiety you have normalized. Period 9 exposes emotional residue quite quickly. So why this matters more than wealth activation? Well, if your inner state is noisy, any external activation magnifies that noise. And that's why people feel activated but unstable. Clean state first, then momentum. Let us do a simple awareness check here. Ask yourself this question. Where in my space do I feel subtly unsettled, even though I've learned to ignore it? I'll repeat one more time. Where in my space do I feel subtly unsettled, even though I've learned to ignore it? You see, that's the signal, all right? So allow me to bring this entire series together. So period 9 is not about asking you to rush. It's asking you to arrive clean. Clean mind, clean space, clean intention. When that's in place, action becomes effortless. And that's when Feng Shui works quietly in your favor. So before the year ends, well, I would like you to sit with this question. If I've changed nothing externally but removed one source of friction internally, what would that be? Think about it. If I change nothing externally but remove one source of friction internally, what would that be? Yeah, you're right. The answer is your real year-end alignment. Okay, so far this will be the part 5 of the series that I've been doing for period 9 Feng Shui. I hope that this part 5-part series change how you look at period 9. The deeper conversations continue inside the Destiny Architecture Telegram chat. And that's where we explore alignment over urgency, clarity over superstition, and leadership through environment. Once again, because I believe period 9 doesn't reward those who scramble at the end, but it rewards those who enter the next chapter grounded. Let's start with a fresh year 2026 strong, even though it is period 9 fire horse. Okay? So I'll see you inside Destiny Architecture Telegram chat, and I'll put the link below for you to join. And before I end the video, once again, and thank you for watching this 5-part series. If you haven't done so, despite my reminder earlier on, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done it, click the bell button for any upcoming videos I'm putting onto this channel. And share these videos, especially this 5-part series, with your friends so that they can hear the same message like what you're doing here. And do it before the year end. All right, so that they will have a new perspective of how Feng Shui in period 9 looks like. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in